In this video I show you how to replace Bose Speaker 3 battery. The speaker measures 10 inches wide, a little over 5 inches high and 1.89 inches thick. Being this preferred than some of the more bulky competitors out there, it's still a bit heavy though. Weighing in a little over 3 pounds, but the weight does give it stability, in a feeling of a substantial product. Now open this lid first. Then remove these 2 screws. And move the front cover up. Remove the cover. And you can see the position of the battery. Use a suitable screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the battery. Remove the old battery. And replace it with a new one. Pay attention to the positive and negative poles of the battery. Yes, battery replacement is done. It's that easy.